It's the heartbeat.
Yeah. Everybody needs somebody. Somebody, oh, somebody. Oh, yeah. Everybody needs somebody. Somebody, oh, somebody. Yeah. Everybody needs a special song.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Flower and if you're stopping for the very first time, you are welcome. So guys, I spent the whole day at home today and I don't even know, like I just came back from one and I'm really starving. I'm hungry, so I don't know what to talk about. I just let me just collect the camera, take you guys to the kitchen and let's see what we have. When you're hungry, you're hungry. So it's currently 6 p.m. here. So I'm just gonna be doing something simple, just something like 30 minutes. You're done. Then food, you know. So I'm making pasta, basically tomato, onions, sauce, different kind of spices. Just mix it together and we have food. Uh-uh. There's food, yes, and we are ready to go. So right now I'm just boiling the pasta and it's almost done already. Like, yeah, I don't like when my pastas are overcooked. When I'm eating them, it makes me feel like I'm a baby and I don't have to. So yeah, so my pastas are done right now. So I'm just going to like be removing the water and we will be right back. So guys, we are back. I just went to remove the water from the pasta. The water from the pasta, and there we have my pasta is cooked. As you can see, I don't like it when it's overcooked because we are adults. We don't need to just be swallowing. I have teeth. So I finished to blend my tomato. I didn't want to make noise during the video, so I had to like post it and come back. In here, I have tomato, I have green pepper, I have these spices. I don't know how you guys call it. I have ginger, I have garlic. Yeah, that's basically what I have inside here. So, what we're going to be doing right now, my pasta is cooked, my tomato is blend. So, I'm going to be using this pot. That's why I'm going to be cooking my pasta. So, I will put it on fire. And yeah, let's start the business. Let's start the business. Let's start the business. Let's start the business. Uh, 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 Abeg. So guys, ah, where's my phone now? So let's take the oil. No, let me take the olive oil. I'll be right back. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna be putting a little bit of olive oil inside my pot. Ah, guys, this exercise I did today, guys, comment down below. Like, have you ever been in a situation when you leave your house, you be like, today, these people must know that I came to do exercise, but when you finally arrive in that place, it will be like your village people arrived before you. Huh. Guys, anyway, by the grace of God, we came back home alive and well. Just that hunger is killing us, but yeah, last, everybody do alright. Yeah, imagine this is the kind of food like when you are a student and don't have energy to cook. 30 minutes cooking, you are done. Nobody is asking you anything. After all, somebody come to my house like this and you be telling me about uh you want food or you want something. Abba, eat what I have. Oh. Don't want to eat me. After all, life is short. Don't come and threaten me. So yeah, guys, I'm going to be cutting my onion because I can see that the oil is finally hot. So I'm going to be cutting my onions. I like to cut my onions like Just one onion, so you don't need to go through stress. So like yeah, guys, today was and it's winter. Yeah, almost. I don't even know what is going on, but I hope you guys are doing fine, man. Hope you guys are doing well. Now I know what some people will be going on this thing up during winter because the way this winter is hot like this these days. I used to blame them, but now I don't blame them at all. Nope, nope, nope. Last night, midnight, this winter was like horrible. I had to wake up, collect all the blankets that were in my room, gather them in on my bed, just to sleep. It was too much. Why this video boring like this? Now no music, no anything. Let's do the song and play. So that we will join together. I doesn't kill somebody, make them strong. So yeah, what game are we? What music are we playing? What music are we playing? What music are we playing? Um, I always radio. You are going the only. I just manage my body stuff like that. As you don't know how to do all this stuff. You tell the manage them like that. So then, I almost that doesn't change. Then I'm now to tell the salad. You are going to do the tomato. I'm going to allow the tomato to how we done. That's how I like my cooking pasta and I will be seeing some water hanging around somewhere in the corner. Now, it looks like something is not working in that place. That's my photograph. Right. And I don't know which of you like when your pasta is long like this. Um, the changing one was put up my music now. Can you imagine? These people have been calling me since morning. When I tell that witchcraft doesn't only happen during the night, even during the day it happens. If I pick up this call now, they'll be telling me about the person will just cut off the call. Imagine. I bet. Our only their friends. Let's just what this imagine. Pour the tomato and we are going to allow the tomato to be cooked. Guys, don't go anywhere. We'll be right back. We are doing this cooking together. So I'm just going to. I don't like to cover my tomato when I'm cooking because I feel like that's the only way it can be cooked fast. So don't go anywhere, and we'll be right back. We are coming back. We are coming back, guys. I don't know if we are coming back. So yeah, guys, we are back, and then this is how my tomato look like with all no water going. So what we're going to be doing right now is just add salt. No, now salt is like, oh, if without salt in like, when you add salt, guys, when I'm cooking, I don't like when somebody will just be pouring salt. Like, what are you? Are you pouring blessed? Are you pouring blessed? So I like to measure myself. Don't do like my husband will go and take me to my house saying that the store has passed. Overblessing sometimes is not nice. So almost all is okay. Abba. And we're going to be telling the tomato. I like to do spicy, spicy, just to give it a taste. Let it not be like just I don't want it to be dry. So yeah, I'm going to mix it up together. Mm. When I tell you the taste of it, everyone, this is how it looks like now. It's only no water. What is remaining right now, as I'm talking to you, the final process. When I tell you that, see pasta like this, see pasta like this, what you are going to do, you are going to be pouring the pasta inside the pot. That is our last destiny. When I tell you, when I'm going to be turning the pasta, give it, oh God, oh, why now? God, why did you create me like this? This is the reason why I don't lose weight fast because there is good food. Every time I wake up, I say I want to lose 50 kg in 2 months. When I see food like this, then next year is not fun now. You can still catch up next year. So we're turning our pasta, and yeah, we're just going to mix this and leave it for like 2 minutes on fire, and then this is how my pasta look like. Really delicious, really yummy. I love the color, I love the decoration. It's good in the mouth. Dear future husband, you know what to do, hurry up. So yeah, we are done mixing it up, and just going to allow it to be on fire for like 2 minutes, just to allow the spices and everything to penetrate inside the pasta. You know what I mean? Like, I don't like it when I eat food. The pasta will have their own taste. The soup will have their own taste. Like, I don't know supposed to be husband and wife going together. 1 plus 1 in the pot. No food, no anything. Last, you don't right. Let I go and put this thing. Let me talk like my Nigerian people. People will be asking me, are you from Nigeria? No, I'm Cameroonian babe. But Nigeria, my neighbor. So maybe go and put this pot here. Maybe come back. Hey! So guys, as you can see, I'm going to allow the pasta to be cooked for a few minutes, and I'll come and show you guys the final result. After all, we were cooking this thing together, so it is good that I come and show you guys the final result. Guys, you love my hair. This is my natural hair. For those of you who will be asking me, this is your hair. Yes, so my natural hair. Baby girl glow everywhere. The face is glowing. The hair is popping. The step. Everything is on point. Future husband, hurry up before somebody will come before you. Hurry up. Guys, we'll be right back. Guys, we are finally back, and this is the final results. Like the aroma, the everything is just on point. Everything on point. So this is how it look like. Let's test. I mean, we cannot be cooking without testing now. Guys, you all are invited. I'm not a stingy person. Before some of you guys will appear in my dream tonight, I'm not a stingy person. You guys, you can see the plate is full. Come and eat, oh. Okay. God. Now, this life is sweet. Somebody who will not say this life is sweet is not sweet to ask. The person might go and do investigation. See food like this. It's the kind of food like when you are eating, you even forget about all the problems that your village people are causing you. Eh? Last, when you are done, you just now go and sit down and be thinking about it. But anyway, guys, We are done with the cooking, and I'm going to be leaving you guys here. Thank you guys for following me throughout my cooking, my pasta, whatever you call it. We have finally come to the video. This is the result. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. Tell me in the comment section how you cook your own pasta. I mean, everybody have their own method. Everybody have the different type of spices that they put in, just to bring that aroma, taste, and everything. So, guys, thank you guys for being with me. Thank you for being patient. We have come to the end of the video, guys. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe. Guys, see your baby girl glowing now. I know in the other video, I promised you guys I was going to share the secret of how I take care of myself, because you're looking nice now. Even my enemies will confess that you're looking nice. And for my hair, I'm going to be showing you guys how I grow my hair today. This is my natural hair. For those of you who would be like, what are you having on your hair? This is my natural hair. And don't forget to like, share, comments. Put your comment in the comments. Put your comment in the comment section, and see you on our next video. Bye.